Yo, what's really good, man? I'm just trying to figure this thing out, you know what I mean? At work, you know what I mean? Believe it or not, I'm working. But, yeah, just there's a lot of social media things that we can do to get things out there. And this is a new one, I guess, Social Can. So, like I said, I'm still trying to figure it out. Trying how to figure out how to add friends, how to share stuff, and this and that, and upload videos. And, you know, so if anybody knows some tips they want to tell me, you know, I would appreciate that. But let's get into this verse right quick, you know what I mean? Because that's what I'm really here for. You know what I mean? I ain't claiming to be all that, but I'm all this. Check it out. It's tongue of thunder, why I wonder. I'm here for the rumble. Humble, not weak. I speak before my gun do. Wisdom over ignorance. You gon' face the consequence of dealing with the serpent. They worthless and it's obvious. Shaitan is devious, deceiving us with foolishness. I feel free. Mom Jamil, last leadership. Superverse doom is what I'm dealing with. Mean I'm appealing it. I won't stop revealing it to all the proof is feeling it. Even after Shahada, I still labor harder. Cause actions is a part of making any tool sharper. My sword swing slicing with knowledge for you to live your life. When Shaitan is strong, I use my Quran for fighting. They coming like it's 10 of me, trying to see the death of me. But Allah who protects me, so if you're feeling shirky, that's lucky. Come on and check me. All for you, I'm a champion, you already know